Hi friends, first of all, those who are new viewers at my channel, I would like to request them to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, by which means new notification will be, you can say, delivered to you. So now today I am going to show you the video of replacement of cyan after, you can say, 50% or some success. Consider that this one is a, you can say, mango tree of about, you can say, 1 to 2 feet in diameter, 1 feet in diameter, and about 2 feet in circumference. Now, as we have, means, you can say, kept or fit 5 to 6 cyan on the top of this cut part in the bark. This one is called bark grafting, because we means keep or shift or fit cyans, matured cyans, uh, between, you can say, bark and the hard portion, and that's why called it is called bark grafting. So what to do next now? If consider that if you kept or fit such type of means, you can say, different qualitative sand, and then you do not get success 100%. Consider that here we got, you can say, two success, you can say, science already they are of, you can say, 2 months. So whenever such type of situation come that you do not get 100% success, then you can fit or keep or ship such type of a new sand after a month. Understand? After 1 to 2 months. Now as we got, you can say, two successful of the sand of different qualities. Now today I am going to shift or fit here different qualities mango science. So from where you have to means buy or take this variety sand of mangoes. So in your surrounding you must search it different or to, good qualitative sand, and you must defoliated this sand. Even you can use you can instant sand also. There are videos how to select sand in my video playlist. You can see those videos, and you can be ready for means preparation of such type defoliated sand for good or better result. Now sand should be, you can say, healthy, but should be on the tip or below the tip, by which you will get the quick sprouting after fitting, within, you can say, 15 or 20 days. Now we have to unwind the total polythene and strips or rope, plastic rope, or you can say cotton rope, which we used at first time of bark grafting. Now I have, means, you can say, unwinded the total polythene as well as, you can say, plastic rope, uh, which was, you can say, already, you can say, winded by me. Now uh, the portion between, you can say, these, you can say, dead sand, there are portions. So in that, you can say, vacant portion, you have to clear first the by knife that total part, because fungus is there, because due to moisture some fungus is there, and you have to clear top part by your sharp knife, as well as the lower part also, means from top to bottom about 3 to 4 inch part, just like, means, I rubbed that part. Now you are looking that clean part, and you keep alone that, you can say, part which in which we means kept sand before a month or 2 months. Understand? Because that is spoiled bark. Now you have to use that fresh bark between two, you can say, failure science. Now such a way you have to give two parallel cuts of, you can say, parallel cuts of 3 to 4 centimeter vertically, such a way, and the distance between two parallel cuts should be not more than 2 centimeter. Now as you have, you can say, shifted these sands, the sands should be shifted uh, one side of the bark. Understand? Where that, you can say, one side cutting, one side vertical cutting is there. You have to, even you keep such type of a sand between or in the center of the, you can say, two vertical cut, then there is no problem. But as per my opinion, you must keep to one side also. Before this I have kept, you can say, and succeeded the result by keeping in the center. Now after that you have to means you have to keep that cyan inside the bark up to 3 to 5 centimeter. And now again the unwinded, you can use unwinded polythene and that wire also. Now I am, you can say, wrapping or winding this polythene strip which is of 50 micron. Now the polythene should be, you can say, 50 micron size. It has elasticity as well as too much strength as compared to 0 micron. So whenever means you do such type of, you can say, bark grafting, you must use, you can say, thick plastic which should have, you can say, elasticity. So in the market you can easily, because I have kept two videos of how to prepare polythene strips. One is of, you can say, 50 micron and another is of, you can, 0 micron. So such a way you can see by touching my video playlist and see the video. Now after wrapping or closing this, you can say, vertical total part circularly, you have to wind total part from top to bottom about, you can say, 4 to 5 inch. Now you have to spread the polythene cover on the top surface as we did in past at the first time. Such a way you have to, means, you can say, keep such type of polythene strips by which total top portion should be covered. No space, open space should be remain near the cyan, near the sifting cyan or sifted cyan, new sifted cyan. Even you can use wax also for closing the top part from which the cyan is coming outside the top part. At that portion you can use wax also. And already I told you, wax, you can buy wax from the hardware shoppe where carpenter's material is sold. Now such a way you have to spread polythene on the top, and the polythene should come below the top part up to 3 to 4 inch. Such a way your strip should be in better length. Now again, by stretching all top strips downward direction, you have to tight it or wind that total polythene which are coming from the top to lower portion tightly by stretching downward direction, and wind it again tightly from lower part to upper part, such a way. Now after completion of that work, you have to use plastic wire which was already used by me. Now such a way tightly, you can say, and after completion of this winding up plastic rope, you have to keep polythene cap on the top of the cyan. So I have replaced two cyan here. So dear friends, this one is the best method of changing the mango variety of big mango trees of, you can say, from 1 year to 50 years of plants can be changed into different variety. If you don't like those varieties now, and if you are getting bored from this quality mango, then you can change as per your choice by such a way. And after how many days you have to unwind this, you can say, plastic wire or these plastics also. So after 3 months you have to